binder. The way that we get started is we move 2 chairs around the stage, and then whenever one of you guys says stop, we'll get started. Stop. What are we going to do about this boat?
About this what?
Boat?
We're going to continue to sink it. That's what we do. We are both captains. We'll sink together.
This boat has special meaning to me.
Yes, I know. That is why we're going to sink and die in it.
I named this boat after my second wife.
I know, and it is good that she is going down now.
No!
I meant to say so that it is very appropriate.
No, I still love her.
I know you do. I loved her too. I did nothing about it. I did nothing about it. It was in my heart burning, like a sea captain, which I am. But now we will both go down with your wife together and die and be discovered 100 years by an old woman.
Because we're not going down in some ice place. We're going down in Hawaii.
Yes, yes. All the better for the scuba divers.
Stop. They don't even know. They don't even know about this.
No, they would know. I let them know. I assumed we were going to sing.
Think of everything.
I am a planner. I said this boat, it has holes in it. We're probably going to sink in it. I probably should have just not gone, but you know.
Well, then why are you here?
It is my duty. I respect duty. It says it was on the schedule sheet. It said Igor Tuesday, and I am bound by duty.
You are the best first mate I would ever have.
Oh, you go on with you.
Oh, you are so great.
No, you've had many good first mates.
No, you're the best first mate.
Oh, you're the
You're
second.
the best. You don't have black eye or peg leg.
Well, you're saying that because I'm dying with you.
No, I mean it.
Well, you are the best captain.
This is why I have toward feelings over drowning or not drowning and boat sinking or not sinking.
No, enjoy it! Enjoy the sinking! It is what Chekhov calls the tedios of your being. Right? A captain must go down with the ship, and why not go down in a beautiful Hawaiian ship? It's the best way to die as a captain.
It's not a big ship, it's just teeny.
You know, it is your beautiful ex-wife, Dinny, right? It is a ship you love.
It's teeny.
Let me tell you something. My friend had a PlayStation 3. I had an Atari 2600. But I loved it. It was mine. And this Dinny, it is yours. I did not want to get a fancy, but I want to get Dinny with you.
Teeny is the only thing I ever had. I grew up poor, I made coconuts with my mother.
And answer me this. What would happen if this Dinny went down and you survived? What would you have left? So go down with it. Enjoy it. This will be great. It will be wonderful.
Okay.
I'll be there. It will be nice. The water will be cold and it will be terrifying and it will come up. No, it will be good though. So, you know what happened to Captain Stupid from the log boat?
No, that sounds like poop.
He's old and wrinkled. Who cares? But us, we go down with the ship. Love boat captain does not go down with the ship. Who cares? He's dead. Us, we die in style.
Yes. Yes, we do.
All right, Vicky swear.
We get involved with Vicky Square.
Yes.
We light off last flare.
Yes.
You go in air,
Yes.
and I brush your hair. You got underwear.
With the bear.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
All
All right, we should get off the dock now. Yes.
No, I haven't.
Well, I'm not convinced that it should be like that. I'm a little concerned. It's like a vortex to hell.
The chimney?
It's a chimney.
Oh my.
I mean, it goes up the way it's supposed to with smoke, but it also goes down to the bare pits of hell, I believe.
Well, did you get a permit for our chimney?
No, I did not get
You have to go down to the DMV and get a permit if you want to have a chimney.
Well, all right. I'm here to get a permit for a chimney and also for a hell vortex.
Take a number.
All right, I don't think all right, 666. Well, that makes sense.
Air serving 666.
That was convenient. All right, here you go. I would like a permit Right, okay. I'm gonna leave this here.
In order to get rid of chimney, you have to go through 3 trials.
Fair enough.
First trial, bring me a kitten that won't run away when I scream at it.
That's
Second trial,
second try.
perfectly cooked eggs.
That was challenging. I know for every time I'm like, and then what happens is the phone ring, you don't care about that.
Third trial,
Egg, go on.
find the most beautiful woman in the world.
Done.
Crack her head open and take out the skull in her brain and bring it to me.
Oh, that part's gonna be a challenge.
3 things to eliminate vortex.
All right. Okay. So kitten or egg? I guess that answers the old kitten and the egg question, right? That's right. I've never seen crack her head open, break her.
The jewel in her brain.
The jewel in her brain. All right. All right. Well, it took me 4 hours. And the brain jewel of Dolly Parton.
Vortex.
All right, no more vortex. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything I can do, or you want to go home, or just
What is home?
okay. Home is not the diner at 10 p.m. It's where I would like to go with my family. But home is where the heart is. Home is wherever you make it.
You know, I was like, I want a family, you know? They don't have one. I'm pregnant. I want to keep it. And the guy I got pregnant with doesn't. What do we do?
Those are a lot of questions. In no particular order, I would yes. Yes. No. Yes. That's just me. I will.
You know, it's, the world's a big, scary place, you know, and I want to bring another life into it, and I'm like not qualified to do that.
Well, we give kids free meals on Tuesdays. So that helps, you know.
Are you? How bad is your day? I wanted something else to take my mind off it.
My day was pretty good. Do you want me to tell you about bad things that would make you better?
Like, so he's screaming you or something?
I had an unpleasant customer earlier this morning.
You called it unpleasant. It couldn't have been that bad.
Yesterday, being 2 times off my right foot.
What?
not my brother. Just gonna do it. There you are. It was like kind of the Bugs Bunny kind of thing, sort of like.
This is the best first date I've ever seen on.
Well, thank you. It's been a great day for me too. This is the first time I've dated since my dear beloved Mildred passed away. So it's okay. She's dead.
No competition, man.
Right. Wrong. She's rotten. It's been a lovely first date. I had no idea things could be made that way.
Oh, you know, I just boil them with some salt. I'll use a lot of salt.
Oh, okay. Here's the end of the date period.
Well, I had a lovely time.
I also had a lovely time.
You're scooting away. Why is that happening? Well, that's nicer.
Okay.
Positive reinforcement.
Okay, positive. Here we go. Yes, I'm here now.
Had a really good
I
time.
also had a really good time. Would you like my number?
Yes.
Alright.
I might like, oh, it's very impersonal. Business card. Stop it.
The balls! Why are you so sad?
I mean it and you're not.
I'm coming.
No, you stand on the other side.
Allah, I was just untaking the rope.
Are you thinking? I just want, you know, one best friend, first mate, best everything by my side. Like a dog.
You probably should have gone to where the water is deeper than you like to the balls.
I figured we would like shallow going.
I'm just going to drown this way. This is very warm. This is not the cold water again.
No, we are on the beach in Hawaii. This is the best.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Doris.
Yes, we are.
Yes, come see Time, man.
Yes, down there. Yes.
Best experience in Hawaii.
Yes. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, thank you very much.
Come see Drowning Man.
One time on this show. Wonder in the dust.
No, come back up.
Okay.
Another $1.
One more dollar? We have to dice. We have to dice. Okay.
Goodbye, Davey.
One more thing. Ready?
Yeah.
Give it, did. $1 had to steal.
Biggest waste of money I ever spent.
I don't know if we're gonna beat it. How often do you get to see a man die? For $1. Oh, the man that went down with the ship. You know, a Titanic cost me $7. Now it's $97.
It didn't have it in 3D.
No, it was 2D, not the way a movie should be.
Is it?
This is 3D.
3D?
Yeah, that's real 3D. It's like I can touch him.
Oh man, that's gross. It's dead.
There's nothing wrong with a dead can. That's what Chekhov would call the TVO service me.
Cool.
Cool.
Let's go see some more shit.
Yeah, let's see what
No, it's not. Shadow, you know you don't have to ask to sit next to me on the couch.
It's just courtesy.
But you're still so romantic.
Sure. I try. Oh, I had a big roast.
Who made you the pork roast?
It was at Denny's. They have a special right now.
Oh, yeah?
I wouldn't have any other human being make me a roast. It was Denny's. You're the only one I would let you make me.
Denny's has human beings there. And they make the roast.
Are you honestly jealous of the Denny's cook?
Do you know who the Denny's cook is?
I don't. That's why I'm confused by your jealousy.
The Denny's cook is Dolly Parton.
Is she really working at Denny's now? I guess I gotta see it. Yeah. But you know what? I didn't know that, and now that I know that, I have no desire to go back because I would rather get a pop roast made by you anytime.
Are you sure? Because you're a top half man, and she is a top half lady.
Well, opposites attract. And you have got a big but donkey donkey. You did back then, you do right now. I tell you what, I don't care if Lyndon Johnson was president or not, that was a piece of luck. $6 million man eyes.
Now you're back to being romance.
That's what I thought. I don't need no Dolly Parton with Dennis pot roast. That was just what happened to be eating today.
Don't say her name again. I'm holding needles.
Persona non grata.
Da Vinci.
Lion King.
Liberace.
Toucan Sam.
Fruit Loops.
Pandemonium.
Jewelry.
Bingo. Still good. Still good. You know I love you, bingo.
I know.
All right.
You play for me too.
That's right.
By the time we're done, I'm gonna have a haul of socks for you.
I've been ordered that sock since '97. Tell you what, that's got to be one fine sock.
I've been knitting from silk coming straight.
That's it. By 2036, I'm going to have me a nice pair.
Yes, you will, honey. Yes, you will.
Which I appreciate. I'm not going to wear socks.
Good. You ain't wearing nobody else's socks.
That's exactly right. I figured if I tried another pair of socks, it'd go kill somebody. Go kill Inspector number 5 at Haynes.
Get your socks touching my man?
I think you got a streak of jealousy in you.
How was this new to you?
I do not claim this to be new information. I think the sky is blue.
Well, I love you.
Well, I love you too. And nobody else.
Okay?
In an Eros way. I love many people in a Bibles way. It God makes sense.
You are speaking in tongues, and I don't know what you're saying, and I don't like it.
I don't love anybody else but you.
Okay.
Okay, that's the easiest way I can say that. But I love like the Pittsburgh Steelers. It's not a human being type. But you know what? No, never mind. Just you, no football.
I will cut off Papa Mama's hair and wear it. That would make me happy.
I would like to see that.
Oh, Troy. Could you help a little old lady tie her shoes?
Well, I certainly can, ma'am, because I'm an upright citizen and not a thug. But you don't have any shoelaces? What? Oh, my strength is gone from me like Samson! That middle schooler email.
What you want to do about it, punk?
You're crying.
Cause you're a wussy.
Because my hair got cut.
Never spit on my swings again.
I won't, I promise. I promise I'll never spit on your spins
Good,
again.
because I got anger issues because my mom moved me from another school and I'm mad and I'm taking out on you.
Your mom moved me from another school. My mom moved me from another school. Want to be friends now?
No!
Did you make any friends today?
No!
Did you beat up any football players today?
No!
Did you?
No!
Did you beat any Steelers up today?
He's all weak now, he doesn't count.
Weak football players are people too.